girls like writing poems and stuff? Writing like lyrics?
I have them on my blog.
Cool.
Huh? I wrote this one poem to a girl. She thought I was in love with her and I wanted to marry her, but then she was wrong. She got scared. But I wrote her that. I don't know how I felt, and then it was cool. She liked it.
Good.
So, we called this back.
And by the way, yeah, that was the first time I told her the whole 15 minutes of me while
Old. I might be the one that older. I might be the one that wrong. Hello, Gary. Hi, Gary. This is Andy from Food Service. I have your iPad ready. Okay. Sir, your iPad is off the hook. Oh, you will notice this is a mistake. It's a mistake,
Great.
Technohead. So we can go get I'm not really hungry, kind of hungry, but I was roughly had the burger. If you're hungry, you can have a teriyaki char. It's like a sandwich with pineapple. Very good. No? Yummy. Yummylicious. Yummylicious. Huh? I have to put this computer together. Where? Far away? Plane? Oh, good. Why wait so long? Why wait so long? Huh? Why shooting? We can't leave soon?
He was there, like, not you. But I don't know. Hey, welcome.
Oh, but I don't have any money.
Put the microphone on. I don't want to go on. I don't want to go so long.
good. I mean, they're weird band. I don't think they can call me. I mean, they're okay, I guess. I mean, I had a lot of fun. I mean, my record was decent. But that Lila, I mean, yeah, she's a little psycho, but I mean, go for it. I was at her house.
Really?
Right?
What is that, the fucking Asian chick that
I didn't do the,
get off?
yeah.
That's not her, is she?
Yeah, huh? Oh, I don't know.
I was ready to roll if that bitch would come up here and they can start doing something to me. She come up to me like, hey, were you that asshole? I'm like, fuck you. I just wanted him. So I walk off. I was like, getting my use. I was all, her and her little gay puppy dog over there walk up to me. I wanted them to go there.
I gotta change something here. Forms. This guy has this, and my daughter, that I told you the piano. Oh, so they have this, piano school, and his wife runs it. They have a piano school. And the daughter does the same thing. They're like pianists. They,
I don't care about people.
so it's piano school or something, and she teaches there. And you can go get a job there. What? He's by his feet up, I think, yeah.
Oh, I don't want to do that. I'm sorry. If I walk past some music, I'm gonna be like, there you go. Cool.
I don't have it. Maybe my wife has it in the car.
You don't have money?
Oh, man. I didn't bring any in my wallet and
I have
stuff,
$4.
but I mean, maybe this guy will give me cash.
Oh,
yeah, cool. Oh, yeah, he's going to bring me cash.
Hold on.
He's going to bring me cash, so I'll have it in a minute.
Good.
You need a, I haven't.
I secure my funds and also then say that I need to do that Thursday morning on the box.
Right.
Started working on this long here.
I tried so hard to see anything.
Who's that?
Okay. My customer. Yeah, so that corner where it fell, it's not very nice, but I can't do anything in those cases because it's aluminum.
Yeah.
So I straighten out as best I can. I kind of just file it down, so it's like, but I have to straighten out the little glass with the thing. Yeah, this was the main.
Ooh, yeah, a little sharp there.
Yeah, so if you have a file at home, I don't have a file here, I lost it somewhere. But yeah, if you have a file, just kind of go a little, just kind of lightly. Okay. File it down even more. I did a little bit. But this is a case, so it's not a big deal. So did it follow the case or nobody knows?
I think it was in the case.
Okay.
But it was a while ago. I mean, I don't think this wasn't today. This was
Okay.
a really long time ago. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
I will.
Thank you.
Well, yeah.
So we don't have any money.
Really?
We could go to this seminar coming up. I think it's October 6th or something. This week actually, not weekend. But about $12 million on mine. For 3 days, 3 events. And
Let's do it.
I want to this week, but you need to have like not the code. Kind of, there's a code to sign up for it for free, for it to be free, otherwise you have to pay like $59. But if I do it, that code is free, and if I meant to get it, but I don't know if I can. If I get it, then we'll go.
This is just try walking around.